the basic tools that you need to start forging. I will present my caveman tools and I will give you my opinion about how good or bad it is and what you actually need it for. Let's start with my favorite one, the anvil. The anvil is a piece of an old railroad. It's a little small, but it does its job. Okay. Maybe I should clean it a bit. It is mounted on this piece of wood which offers stability and the perfect height for the anvil. I'm Adi, a beginner in forging. I started this journey to see how it feels to create knives with your own hands and of course to see if I actually can. Maybe not. Maybe not. About hammers. I have different types of hammers. Small one, big one, medium one. You can never have too many hammers. I still don't know which hammer to use depending on the situation. You can leave me an advice in the comments to use this hammer or to use the other one. I will really appreciate it. For now, I take the big one and hit as hard as I can. And it's working. I know that these hammers are not ideal for forging, but now I work with what I have. The angle grinder, my best and my worst enemy. Why is it my best friend? Because it's extremely helpful. I do all kinds of cuts with it and it always does its job. Grinding, I do all the grinding with this little guy from raw material to finished product. I even sharpen with it. The problem with the angle grinder is that it's really hard to be precise if you want to do some cuts or grinding at a specific angle. But if you are patient enough, it will do the job. Why it is my greatest enemy? Because I use it so much. Over 60% of the total work is done with the grinder, so it gets annoying at some point, but it's fine. Also, be very careful with the angle grinder. Once, by mistake, I cut the power cable. I don't know why I didn't get electrocuted. I guess I was lucky. GG. GG. So I got to fix the cable and now it looks like this. It's working, it's fine. I'm happy with it. For the grinder, you'll also need for the grinder this. For the grinder, you also need cutting disc and grinding disc. Cutting discs are pretty simple. You can buy any brand, just make sure that it fits your grinder. They are on different sizes. You will need different breeds. I use from 80 to 120. The meat, the legend, the forge. Maybe a little bit exaggerated. Okay. This forge was built from scratch with the help of my father. How does it work? Let's see. I have an air blower in the back that pushes air through this pipe. The pipe has holes in it that allows the air to hit the coal and it works perfectly. But there is a small problem with the design. The pipe blocks me from using the entire space of this metal cave. So usually I hit the metal only on one side of the pipe. Here are some images from when I was building it with my father. He was really helpful in making this forge a reality. You can see him enjoying the process. He was really helpful in making this forge a reality. The vise. This one is mandatory. It's your support in everything. It's like having an extra pair of hands. You can see in all my videos how I use it to hold metal exactly where I need it. Additional tools. It's not mandatory, but it's good to have. Welding machine. You will definitely need to weld something like handles, forged parts. Drill, needed for making holes in the handle. Quench oil, not mandatory, you can use water, but I don't recommend it. Chisels, wood chisels and metal chisels. A work table, tool storage. You will definitely need a tool storage. At some point you will have a lot of tools to store. If you want to see how I use these tools in real action, you can watch my first video ever, forging my first knife. It was really a challenge, but I'm proud of the result. Give it a look. Emotional moment. So far, being a blacksmith feels great. Hitting hot metal and watching it change shape with every strike, it's beautiful. I feel that I'm using my energy of creation and enjoying the greatest gift. Feel free to leave a comment with an advice or a question. I promise I will answer all of them. If you want to see how these journeys continue, subscribe. It helps me. Thank you, and I see you in the forge. These are all the basic tools that you need to start blacksmithing.